Thank you for the opportunity to meet with you and talk about how my skills and experience will impact your company. For the last several years, I have been working in the manufacturing industry, and during that time, I've had a focus on improving teams, building better cohesion amongst them in order to improve processes that generate greater revenue for the company. And part of that process was collecting data and compiling that data in a way that we can communicate from a production level up to the higher ups, the state of what the process is. I was able to use my critical thinking ideology to extrapolate that data and identify certain pain points in order to improve production and the efficiency among the group that I was working in. And part of the driving factor of that desire of me to improve processes came from a quote by Thomas S. Monson, where he talks about when performance is measured, performance improves. When performance is measured and reported, that rate of improvement accelerates. So that has been my driving force in my career, and I use some of that to identify a process at one of the jobs that I worked at where during the cycle time there was a lot of human interaction, a lot of human input into that process, and I was able to work with internal engineers, managers, and also external vendors to help design and implement a program called AutoBatch, which removed 90% of the human error, the human input into that process. As a result of that project, the company then saw a cost savings of about $1 million in reduction in waste from human error from the year before. So I've been able to see the success of those labors and my experience with analyzing data, critical thinking, future planning, and as a result, I can tell you that by choosing me as the best candidate for this production supervisor position, you will see a similar result. You'll see team morale increase. As that increases and they care more about their job, we can better identify those pain points. What's holding them back from being successful? What's holding them back to being more efficient in their job and producing more quality materials? So you'll see that culture change, and you'll also see that these teams will also adapt to new projects and change better as a result of my leadership.